Controls.
Zero, Cherry Sky 0 Bravo goes on a go 50. Alright, so this one here, we're going to do this as a team. We're going to hold runway heading.
Hold
we're going to hold VY.
Okay. Traffic, Grumman 5
VY.
We just hold VY. We just hold the pitch.
1,300.
Boy, how do we control our pitch? Right?
Yep.
So you just set that pitch and just forget about it. You know. If the aircraft starts to slow down a little bit, you just drop the nose. If it speeds up, you just push it, you know. You just lift it. But we want to hold VY, which is, 76 to be exact, but, I just go 75. And that's it. Zero, Sky 0, I'll go up. Yes, upwind 5, 0. All right, selecting a waypoint. We're going to put our bank in. Now we're turning crosswind. This will take 30 seconds.
Turning crosswind.
Zero, Sky 0, Bravo Golf is turning left crosswind 5, 0. Everything's cool. We're going to start pushing the nose down, accelerate to 80 knots. All right, there's our waypoint, so we're rolling out nice and level, holding 80 knots.
Rolling out, hold 80 knots.
And we're getting up pattern altitude pretty fast because of this nice cold air. All right, there's pattern altitude, so we're going to pitch. Airspeed's coming up. Come on, airspeed, there it is. And now we're going to power, bring that power back to 22. There we go. And nose down trim, and now it's time to turn downwind.
Traffic of runway 5 at Alpha 2, taxiing to runway 5 high Alpha, Zephyr Hills.
And we're going to turn to what? Tampa.
Turning to Tampa.
Nice 30-degree bank. Start our rollout nice and easy.
Rolling
and now we're in the downwind. Zero, traffic, Sky 0, Bravo Golf, left downwind 5, 0. And then we fine tune. Okay, power, perfect. Altitude, perfect. Airspeed's good. So we just fine tune, and now we get to relax for a moment. It's only a few seconds, right?
Yep.
We're going to be a beam really quick, but we just check and see if there's anything we can. Normally we would, if we took off, we would, clean up the plane and all that stuff. But we're just doing pattern work, so we're going to just leave it, leave the lights on and all that. All right. So now look, there's our touchdown point. So we're going to start, right? We're a beam,
17.
is what I'm saying. So we pull up out to 17, speeds at 100 knots or less, 10 degrees of flaps.
Keeping the nose down.
Nice and relaxed, okay. And we're heading to Tampa still.
Yep.
And now the aircraft should be, slowing to
90.
90, exactly. Beautiful. And everything feels stable, right?
Yep.
Things good, we're just heading to Tampa, all is well. And now we're 45 degrees, so we're going to go 10, 20, and 30. We're 45 degrees from our touchdown zone. Zero, traffic, Sky 0, Bravo Golf is turning left base, runway 5, 0. We're going to fine tune our power again because we're managing it effectively.
Charlie,
because
2 miles.
Dropped a little low.
It did, it dropped a little bit.
Northwest of the airport, establishing on the 45 for the left downwind.
So we'll fine tune that, and then our airspeed slowing to what?
80.
80 knots, excellent.
Another 10 degrees of flaps.
That additional drag will help us slow down. And it looks like we're right on glide path. And there's that road we were talking about, so we'll put our standing rate. There we go, nice gentle bank, nice and stable. Zero, traffic, Sky 0, Bravo Golf is turning final runway 5, 0. Nice and easy. There's no traffic in the area at all, so we've been clear on all of our turns. Look at that, beautiful, right on glide path. 2 white, 2 red is right on glide path, but I still don't like using nose as a VFR pilot. I'm putting a little nose up trim in because we were adding nose down trim earlier. We're going to start reducing a little bit of power. We're at best glide speed.
Best glide.
Zephyr Hills traffic, Grumman 528 Charlie. Charlie's on a 1 mile.
And you see how we're,
to join a midfield.
See how we're managing the power?
5, Zephyr Hills.
We're holding center line the best we can. There we go. Milking power off. Oh, there's no more power to milk off. We are at idle. Runway has been made.
Is made.
And we're just going to There we go,
There.
wing length above, we're gonna flare. We're gonna hold the center in, and now our eyes are at the end of the runway. We're gonna try to glide all the way to the end of the runway.
Land traffic, got up at 2
And there we go.
1,000 and below.
Right?
Yep.
Flaps are coming up.